In this video you will see how to change paper size in WPS Office Writer. It's very easy. To change the paper size, you need to click here on the page layout tab, and under the page layout tab you will see the option of size. So this is the option to change the page size. Click on the drop down and you will see here different options. When you see here the tick, that means this is the current page size, and you can see the dimensions of the page size. You can just click on any one of the size and the page size will change for your document. If you want to customize the page size, you can go to more page sizes, and here you can select the option custom. Under the paper size, you can enter the width and height here. Make sure you have selected the correct units here, and then select the option whole document and then click on OK to change paper size in WPS Office Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn WPS Office quickly. See you again in the next one.